Right. Hey, it's Vince, and welcome back. And from the last update, a week ago, 2 weeks in total now, I guess you want to know, did this guy get the Instagram account back? And I'm going to answer your question, so stay tuned. Firstly, I just want to thank you for the comments I received in the last video, the tips, the techniques, the advice you guys gave. It was very much appreciated and something I will take into consideration as well. And I need to figure out basically what stage I will do that in. But yeah, thank you. And for the people who subscribed to follow the update, I'm actually thinking I'm just might make this a Instagram series of how long does it take to get this account back. From the previous videos, the steps I've taken so far is filled out the form, did the code where you get to send the photo back with that little number, and I've also not officially but gone onto Twitter and tried to get a response there, but no success on the Twitter front. 2 weeks later, no response, and I'm actually going to consider redoing the form. Once I've done this video as well, I'm going to redo the form and hopefully get a response from there. Moving on, I did find a phone number on Google for Instagram, which I will make in the next video. So I'm going to give them another week, and I'm going to see if I can get a response from Instagram through giving them a phone call. So if you want to see how that goes, I'll need to top up my Skype credit, and hopefully I will get a response. So if you want to follow the progress, please hit subscribe to the channel. It'd be much appreciated. Like I said, hopefully we can grow, because it's the growing on Instagram, which took me 5 years to get to 10K, was just vanished. So let's use YouTube as a different platform. I also want to point out, I'm not trying to have a go at Instagram in regards to, the long response. I do understand the platform will be busy. They've got a huge amount of users, and I just want maybe someone from Instagram at some point to actually take a little look at the video and be like, okay, this guy has had his account gone for a long time. These people who've commented on the video have also had the account gone for a long time. So hopefully together they'll see this. I will hopefully get my account back. You will hopefully get your account back, and hopefully in time we will have our Instagram accounts back, because whether it's for different reasons, whether it's personal photos or you've worked a hell of a lot to get where you were, or you've got a number, whether it's 100, 500 or 1,000, which you're very proud of, and you don't want to start again. So that's why it means for me, I really want to try and progress it. I have worked in customer service a long time, since I left school actually. And one of the things I have noticed is that the longest period I've noticed at the company I was working for is that some responses did take up to a month. So I'm hoping it won't take that long, but depending on the volume and the size they receive, from what I've seen, it's probably a lot, because it seems like this is an extremely common thing where accounts do get disabled. Some might have valid reasons. For me, I don't think mine was valid, considering I hadn't posted anything in a month. If anything, they would be disabling my account because of inactive use, shall we say. So we'll see how that progress goes. So if you do want to check the progress, please feel free to hit me up on Twitter as well. It's at Vincent J. Foster. I will link it down below. If you haven't seen the first video is basically tips and techniques of what I've done so far in trying to progress and get my account back. In the next video, I will be giving them a ring, so hopefully we'll get a response. I got a feeling that's gonna be a long call, so I'm just set up the phone on a tripod and just do a time lapse, unless they pick up within 2 minutes, and that would be great. Less money spent on, for me. So if you want to see more progress, please hit the subscribe button. I do want to try and help network myself and you guys as well, and especially if you've got the same issue. If you have managed to get your account back and you followed the forms, please let me know how long it took you for Instagram to reply back to your form, if you did fill the form. I do understand a lot of people have commented saying if you contact this guy, they can help you, they can do this, they can do that. I may take that option at some given point, but at the moment I just want to try and do it the route where you use the forms. I will give them a call, like I said, and we'll hopefully get a response from there. But life without Instagram so far has been okay. I think the first few days it was annoying not to have it, but actually I'm getting used to it. And 2 weeks later, it's still, I would say, more time for other things. It's amazing how much Instagram took my time, but hopefully at some given point we do get it back. Also, if you've got any video ideas, because I've actually started to really enjoy doing this little, I know this setup's not the best, I actually leave my phone against my laptop, but if you've got any video ideas, let me know, because I'm enjoying this as a new platform. I've always wanted to do the YouTube side, but I don't know why I never done it. I was just so focused on the Instagram side, I left YouTube behind. But I'm actually liking it, the more one-on-one and the face-to-face thing going on, so I do like it. But yeah, if you've got any ideas on what I should do, I like to do how-to, maybe fitness. I'm not saying I'm in good shape, but I'm saying maybe get from step 1 to step 10. Any video ideas would be actually highly appreciated. But yeah, thank you very much for taking the time once again to watch this video. Next week, if I haven't had a response, I will be giving them a call for a separate video, and you can see whether they do pick up. If you do want to also give a try, giving them a call, just find the number on Google. It's the only one which pops up, but it does say it's unlikely they will pick up, so you'll probably need some time to basically have spare on your hands. But yeah, thank you very much for taking the time to watch the video. Hope you're enjoying your day whenever you're watching this. Stay safe and see you in the next video. Bye.